Hi everyone, it's Wims here. I thought I'd do a quick video tutorial to show you how quickly and easily you can use a digital quick page to enhance your photos and save them to send them to friends and relatives online, or to share them in online either digital scrapbooking galleries or photo sharing sites. The one that we're using is available from our blog. You're quite welcome to download a copy of it and use it, along with any of the other quick pages there that are available for download. Let's jump in and get this done. It's so easy peasy. The software that I'm going with is GIMP. It's an open source software. This is a bit of a learning curve for me too at the moment, because I usually use Photoshop. I haven't used GIMP for some time, and I decided to crack it back open again and have another look at it. It's been a while, been a good couple of years since I've used it. It's changed a lot. It's improved a lot since I last was using it. The interface has improved great. Reason I've also gone with this too is I think coming up to Christmas, my husband and I are very budget conscious and always sort of like trying to save money wherever we can. And I think it's just absolutely nuts if you deprive yourself of a hobby such as digital scrapbooking because you think you have to spend lots of money on special software or buying resources to use, because there are so many free resources available online that and wonderful scrapbooking designers that actually offer digital scrapbooking resources for free use, for personal use as well. Anyway, this is the main interface that we'll be working with. This is what's known as a toolbox, and if you mouse over the icons here are the tools. I'll give you a quick explanation of what the tool does and the name of the tool. And we need also to find our layers palette. So we'll go up here to Windows, Dockable Dialogues, click Layers. That opens up the Layers palette, so we'll just drag that down here out the way. And I think that's all we need now. We can get started on this. I've got the quick page saved to my desktop over here, so I'm just going to drag and drop to open it up. Here we go. Now down here you can see background. I'm just going to rename that to quick page because background could be anything. I'd rather name it quick page, and that way we know what's on the actual layer. And I'm going to go here to this little arrow and just make the preview size a bit bigger. Extra large. Yep, that'll do. It just makes it a bit more visible so that we can more easily see what is on the actual layer. Now, let's see, these checkerboard areas here, these are transparent areas within the quick page itself. And when we're finished, we're going to have our photos nicely inserted into these transparent areas so they look like they're part of the actual page itself. I'm going to grab my first photo here again, just drag and drop. And if you look down here now at the layers palette, you can see there's two layers. There's the quick page, which we opened initially, and we've now also got another layer with our photo on it. So if we go over here now and look at what's going on here in the interface, we've got our photo. Well, a couple of things wrong here. One, the photo's too big. Two, it's in the wrong position. And three, it's sitting on top of our quick page. So what we need to do is we need to scale it, move it, rotate it, and reposition the layer. So if we go over here to our toolbox, we'll find the scale tool and we'll just click on it to activate it. And this is really simple. Just left click on the corner, hold the mouse down and drag the corner in to resize the picture like so, and then release. Then over here to the scale box, we'll just click scale. That's resized our picture for us. So now we're going to move it and go up here to the move tool. Again, just left click, drag to move the photo. Looks roughly right there. And then we're going to rotate it. So find the rotate tool, click on it to activate it. Again, just left click, drag the photo around by a corner to rotate it a bit, and then click the rotate box to commit that change. Okay, now we have to move it behind our quick page. So down here we'll click on the layer, click this down arrow. There you go, done. I think I might just move it around again a bit. Click the move tool, left click, drag, and there you go. I'm pretty happy with where that's positioned at this point. Got a bit of overhang down here in the transparent frame below. Don't worry about that at this stage. It won't be there when we're finished. So we'll go back over here to the desktop and grab my second picture. Left click, drag it onto the interface. Okay, now that's already behind our quick page, but that doesn't help us much because I can't really see what I'm doing for resizing it. So I'm going to select the layer, and I'm going to click the up arrow to put it on top of our quick page, just for the moment. Again, it's a case of resize, move, rotate if we need to, and then we need to reposition the layer. So click the move tool, left click, drag a corner down to resize the picture. That looks like it might be about right. Click scale to commit to the change. Yep, that's looking pretty good. So now I'll move that behind the quick page. Again, select the layer, down arrow. Fantastic, and I'll move it a little bit, not much though. There we go, that looks about right. Where it is. Yeah, I think so, that'll do. Okay, and then we just click select none. Okay, we've got none selected at this stage, that's fine. Now what we need to do is we need to go through and clear this overhang here. It's cutting into the photo above it. And what we do is we select our quick page by clicking on the layer. We go up here to the fuzzy select tool, click that to activate it. And where we have this transparent area, we just click it inside there once. Left click inside once, and that selects all the transparent area for us. Now we need, the bit of the photo that we need to get rid of is in this photo here. So we find that layer, click on it in the layers palette, make sure the right bit of the photo that we're wanting to delete is showing as selected. And just hit the delete key on the keyboard and it's gone. All sorted out, all fixed. Go up here to select none. That takes the selection away. Now we have to actually put all of these into a single layer and save it as a single layer. So we go down here, click on a quick page, flatten image. That's all there is to do. And you've just completed your first quick page. To save this for online sharing, if you wanted to save this as is for printing, you just go to File, Save, File, Close, probably, and Save, or something along those lines. I'll have to actually check that out shortly, but we want to save this for the moment for sharing it online with other people. So we go here to, we need to scale it down a bit. We need to take it out of print resolution. So we go to Image, Scale Image. Here we can see the resolution. Print resolution files are normally at about 300 pixels per inch. For computer stuff, online stuff, we only need 72. So we just change that to 72, and then we'll change the size of the image here, because that's actually quite huge. And I might scale that down to say 1000 by 1000. Scale. Yep, I know, don't panic. If you look down here, it's actually scaled it to about 18%. That's what we're viewing it at the moment. So if you go here at 100%, you can see it back at 100% size. It hasn't changed the resolution or anything of the picture doing that, though. It's just scaled it back up so you can view it more easily. Now we need to save a copy of it for online use. So we go here, Save As. I'm going to give it a different name, my quick page, and we need to select the file type, list, if I ever see it, there we go, JPEG, save, and it opens up a save dialog box. I'll probably put this down to maybe about 75%, save. And there you go, you can see the name of your new quick page up here that you've saved it as, and that's how simple it is and how quick and easy it is to do. I hope you'll go download a copy of GIMP and start having a play with it. There's some really good online tutorials for it, and the online help file, the built-in help file for it is fantastic. It's really worth getting in and having a play around with it. As I said, it does a lot of the same things Photoshop does. If I don't do another tutorial for Christmas, I hope you all have a wonderfully safe holiday season. And that you enjoy it with friends and family, and I'll definitely see you in the new year. Bye.